my channel, it's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. So in this video I will be sharing all the details about this palette and whether I like it or not, and I will be sharing all the swatches of the shades. So if you are interested to know all the details about this palette, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, Makeup Revolution has an amazing collection of their eyeshadow palettes. So I have quite a few of them, and this time I have purchased this one from Myntra. So this is called Makeup Revolution Intensely Pigmented Foil Shadow Palette, and this retails for 1350 rupees, and I got this on a very good discount from Myntra at 662 rupees only. So that's a really good steal, I think. And I really love this palette, and all the shades are equally pigmented and so beautiful when you apply it on your eyes. And today also I have created this eye makeup look using this palette, and I mean the shimmer color you see on my eyes is this shade right here, and the rest of the matte color I have created with another Makeup Revolution matte eyeshadow palette. So this doesn't contain any matte shadow. As you can see, all the shadows are shimmery, and these eyeshadows have a really different kind of texture. The texture is really different. I can't explain you. These are really soft, and these are so buttery soft, and you just need a little bit of them to apply on your eyes, and your eyes will look pop instantly, and you will get a very nice look. So this palette is completely cruelty free, so a big thumbs up for that thing. And as you can see the packaging, it's a transparent top and a rose gold color back, and at the back you get all the details, and at the sticker you get the manufacture date and the expiry date, all that. So you don't get any mirror with this palette, but I think that's completely fine. I don't think that mirror in every eyeshadow palette is really required. So this doesn't contain any mirror. I don't mind at all for that. And this contains 1 2 3 4 5 15 eyeshadows, as you can see. And now I will show you all the swatches one by one. So here you get a really nice white color, which you can obviously use for your inner corners and for highlighting your brow bone. And you are getting a very light golden color, then a light copper color, a nice pinkish tone, and a very nice brown color. Just look at the shades, guys. The pigmentation is just awesome. And here it goes one by one. The color payoff is amazing, guys. And this shade, just look at this shade, guys. So guys, these shades are really buttery soft and not chalky at all, and they are super easy to blend, and when you use it with your finger it gives the best result, at least for me. I don't like to use any shimmer or glitter palettes, glitter eyeshadows with brushes. I prefer my fingers, and I think that my fingers give the best result to it. So then at the second row you are getting a very nice baby pink color, then a super bright golden color. Oh my god, the shades. Then a mauve color, then a sort of a dark pink color, and a purple color. Just look, guys. And here it goes. Wow, just look at the shades. They are so amazing. And this palette is really very good for the beginners, because you just can do your eyes with just one shade. So you can just take any one shade of this and just apply it on your finger and just tap it all over your lid, and you are good to go. If you don't know how to do eyeshadow look and you don't like to do and invest a lot more time to create a good eyeshadow look, then you just can use this kind of any shimmer palettes to create a easy eye makeup look. So let me now swatch the last row of it. So you are getting a very nice golden copperish kind of color, sort of a green color. So I have applied this shade on my eyes right now, and then you are getting a beautiful copper or rose gold kind of a color. Then you are getting a metallic brown color, and at last you are getting a beautiful black color. Just look at the shades. And all the shades are so nice. Just see guys, I really love all the shades. They are supremely pigmented and so good to swatch, and even when you apply it on your eyes, it really feels so good and beautiful to look at. And guys, if I talk about the price, it retails for 1350 rupees, which I think is a little more higher price because you are getting just 15 shades. I know that they are supremely pigmented, but for me that 1300 rupees for this eyeshadow palette is a little bit higher. But if you get this palette under 1000 rupees, I think that that's a great buy, and I got this on just 662 rupees, so that's a really good steal I think, and I am really happy with my purchase, and I highly recommend this palette to you guys. And by the way guys, this video is not at all sponsored by Myntra or from Makeup Revolution. I have buy this from my own money. And so that is it for today guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also comment down below what you think of my videos and whether you have any further suggestions for me for my upcoming videos or not. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.